Kijiji Ad Pro Tip. Now that you have your accounts registered, let's make a few updates by going into your account settings. We're going to use a few images here that will appear in all your listings that will set you apart from the competition and really help you stand out. By doing that, we increase your ROI and click-through rate and profitability of your campaigns. Go to your company logo section. Make sure that when uploading images, they conform to the size requirements listed, or they may not work. Merchant Store page, which appears as a large banner on your listing summary. The search result page, which appears next to your ad in the search results when people are scrolling. And ad detail page, which appears inside your ad near the top. We really want to take advantage of this to grab people's attention and increase the click-through rate and profitability of our campaigns. On the Merchant Store page, we want to promote our brand. On the search result page, we really want to stand out from competitors and get potential shoppers to click our ad. So use something catchy that is attention-grabbing like trusted seller or seasonal sale. Take a look at my ad. While scrolling through, mine clearly catches your attention more than others because of this image on the right with the great text that I've used. In the ad detail section, again, we want to promote the brand and compel the shopper to buy with text like visit our site today or money back guarantee or top rated seller. Having all three of these components set up with quality images and attention-grabbing words that sell will increase the profitability of your campaign exponentially. You can check out words that sell in the Words That Sell section.